Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic. Alright here guys, on this video we are going to be talking about the easiest way to earn ourselves free Solana right now into our wallet without having to make any single investment or deposit. Alright, so right now to get started you need to pay very close attention to this video as we are going to be exploring the simple ways to earn ourselves free cryptocurrency without having to make any single deposit or investment. Alright, so right now to get started you need to pay close attention, and also before I get into more details about this, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, you are missing out big time, because right here guys, on my channel I show you guys the easiest way to earn money completely free of charge in the crypto space without even having to make any single deposit or whatsoever. So over here to get started you need to just come over here below the video you're watching right now. You are going to be seeing a subscription button. You click on it like this, then you have subscribed to our channel, after which you click on this bell icon and select all so that YouTube will send you notification immediately we post any new video. After that guys, you go ahead and put a very nice comment right here on this comment section and give this video a thumbs up like this. So give us a very nice comment over here, because over here on the comment section this is where we pick our winners. After that you go ahead and share the video to any social media platform of your choice. All right, so right now by getting that done you will do it completely free of charge without having to pay anything for that. So right now let's now go back and talk about how to earn ourselves free Solana straight into our wallet. So over here guys, to get started a link is going to be dropped on the comment section or on the description of this video. Make sure to use the link to get started towards earning yourself one free Solana every single hour. Right now to get started, let's now go ahead and pick the link. Alright, so once you click the link on the description of the video, you are going to be taken to a website that looks like this. Alright, so what we need to do right now to get started is to simply go ahead and read everything about this website so that you get to understand it more before you go ahead and invest your time or anything into it. Alright, but I advise you do not invest anything on this website. You enjoy the free plan. Alright, so right now to get started, what you need to do right now is to simply come over here. You input your email address right here and either log in or you sign up if you are doing it for the first time. So right now let's now go ahead and input our email right there, then I will click on sign up like this. All right, so this should be taking me straight into the platform. So over here guys, this is where you need to sign up using your credential. Over here you need your to input your username. Your email address will be here already, and you input your password, then you proceed to the next step. So after creating an account, this is exactly what you're going to be seeing. You can see thank you for registering, please verify your email to get 10 free spine. All right, so right now I'm going to my email address to verify my email so that I'm going to be proceeding with the video right about now. So the first thing you need to do to verify your email is simply click over here that we have verify. So once you click on verify, this is going to be taking you to a new web page where you need to click on verify mail email like this. So you can see wait, this is going to be sending an email into your email box where you're going to need to go and verify this right about now. So over here, this is the email, but you can see over here, this is it right here. So I will click on it. Then also I will click on this link below to verify my email, or I will just copy this link and paste it on my browser, but I'm going to be clicking on it like this. All right, so right now stick with me, do not skip any part of this video at all. All right, right now you can see that my email verification went successfully. So right now I need to click on go to home so that I'm going to be taken straight into the website so that we're going to start earning right about now. So over here guys, you can see that they have the hourly faucet and they also got the bonus faucet. So on this bonus faucet, this is where you need to get to spin so that you stand on the lucky chance to earn. So right now, before you go ahead to this bonus faucet, let's now talk about this. So over here, you can see over here on this website you can do a lot of cool stuff right here, but when I scroll down right here, you can see that this is the stage on we are on the stone level. So the level you are on determines the amount of SOL you got to earn. All right, so right now guys, you can see over here on this website you can take surveys. So after 20 minutes of survey, you are going to be getting 0.44 USDT. So the same thing is applicable to all this one. So right now we are talking about the easiest way to get this. All right, so right now to get started, let's now scroll down over here. What you need to do right now to get your free Solana is to simply come over here and click on this box. This is going to require you to complete a captcha. So to complete this captcha, you need to fill in select the same image that has this type of bed on it. So I will just select it like this, then I'll go ahead and click on next, then I'll repeat the same process right about now, then I will click on verify. All right, so right now you can see this has been verified. I will now need to click on 2x reward, 24 hours remaining. All right, so I click on it like this, you can see wait, and right now we have just claimed a huge amount of Solana right about now, and over here you can verify that our balance has just changed right now. All right, so right now you can see you need to wait for 1 hour before you can go ahead and claim another Solana. All right, so right now let's now go back to this top right now. So you can see over here that our balance has just changed right now, and what I need to do right now to show you guys more step on what to do is simply click on bonus faucet. So once I click on bonus faucet, this is where you need to play a game by spinning. All right, so if you spin this right now, you are going to be standing on the position to earn any of this amount of Solana right here. All right, so I will click on 2x reward. You need to make sure you verify your email so you can be able to do this. All right, you can see right now that I just got another Solana right about now. You can see I need to do this again. Let's see what we're gonna have right here, and boom, you can see that we just got another one right about now. You can see over here that you can do this over and over, and you just keep on earning until you reach your limit. All right, so right now this is the easiest way you can earn yourself free crypto, and that is all about this video. So right now let's now click on this trader. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. You can see that you can earn by just playing game. Once I click on this playing game right now, I'm in games. Once I click on it, you can see that you can play some games to earn yourself free Solana. All right, so you can play some games over here, but we are not going to be talking about that. You can do your research on that later. All right, so with that, let's now click on this three dots again. You can see over here that you can also take surveys, which is what I've taught earlier. You can use this affiliate link by inviting people into this platform. You can earn coin for that. All right, so right now let's now go back to this faucet. Before that, let's now try out the withdrawal. Let's see the withdrawal criteria. All right, so once I click on withdrawal right now, this is going to be taking me to the web page where I need to get to learn about how to withdraw. Over here you can see you need a minimum of 0.02 Sol right now before you can be able to withdraw from this particular platform. You can see that this is going to be your service charge. All right, so after which, when you have gotten around 0.02 Solana, you can just come over here and input your details like your Solana address and the amount of Solana you want to withdraw. Then you complete this captcha, then you click on withdraw, and your Solana is going to be sent straight into your wallet. All right, so that is all about this video, and this is the easiest way that you can earn Solana on the website for now. And stay ahead and stay sharp on this channel, because I'm going to be exposing you guys to many other ways to which you can earn yourself free cryptocurrency, because that is what this channel is all about. So thank you if you made it to this point, and do not forget to like this video, tell me what you think on the comment section, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys on my next videos that are dropping very soon. Stay sharp and peace out.